Do you run a faceless YouTube channel? Or maybe you're thinking about starting one? Either way, let me tell you something. AI images are about to become your new best friend. Channel owner myself, I rely heavily on AI images. Why? Because they are a perfect way to bring my ideas to life visually. And guess what? High quality AI images can transform into stunning videos like this movie trailer I created earlier using this AI generated visuals. Trust me guys, you can create high quality videos like this without using any top-notch AI images. They are absolutely essential for this. But here's the catch. To get those amazing images, you need a reliable image generator. And let's be real. Most of them come with the daily limits. You know the struggle, right? You spend hours tweaking your prompt, generating multiple images, and just when you're about to hit the goal, bam, you are hit with the annoying notification. You have reached your daily limit. Frustrating thing. Now, I'm a huge fan of Flux for generating images, but even that has its limits. But what if I tell you there is a tool that you generate unlimited high quality AI images for free? Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited and free. And the best part, you can even use the Flux within this tool. How awesome is that? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take full advantage of this game-changing tool. Just look at these images I've generated. Absolutely stunning, right? And the best part, you can create as many as you want. No limits. You hear that? So if you're ready to create a jaw-dropping content, stick around. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by end of this video, you will be turning AI images into viral videos like a pro. Alright, let's dive into the tool we are using today. It's called PICLUMEN. I've been using this for a while now, and let me tell you, the quality of the image it generates is next level. In fact, it's way better than some of the top-ranked image generators out there. With PICLUMEN, you can create everything from ultra-realistic images to an animated masterpiece. And here's the kicker, you can even generate a consistent character, which is a game changer for storytelling. To get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up with your email, and you will be greeted with a sleek, user-friendly interface. You can even browse images created by other users for inspiration. Now, let's create some magic. Click on create and you will see a different models to choose from: realistic, anim, artistic, and even flux. Let's start with a realistic model. Here's a simple prompt: a deep forest with a lush green leaves. Choose the aspect ratio. I'll go with a 16:9 and hit generate. Wow, just look at this. The details on the leaves, the raindrops, it looks like a real photograph. This tool is a hidden gem, folks. Trust me guys. Let's try another one. A beautiful woman looking at the camera. And here's the result. Stunning. The hair, the eyes, the skin texture. It's so lifelike. You would think it was taken with a professional camera. Now, let's switch to the artistic model. How about this prompt? And Super Mario floating in outer space. Look at this. It's like a scene straight out of the sci-fi movie. The details, the colors, it's breathtaking. One more. Super Mario in a London Big Bell. Wow, this looked like a screenshot from a blockbuster movie. Incredible, right? Now, let's talk about creating a consistent characters, perfect for animated stories. Here's your main character. To generate different poses or scenes, upload a reference image, tweak the settings, and give it a prompt. See? The face stays consistent and the results are amazing. Sure, there are minor imperfections, but they are barely noticeable. Now, let's create an hybrid image. How about this prompt? A monkey dressed as a Mafia Boss. Wow, look at this. It's hilarious and awesome at the same time. Now, turn this into a video and you got yourself a viral Instagram reel. PICLUMEN can even generate a celebrity images. Let's try this prompt. Steve Jobs as a medieval knight. Okay, this is both awesome and hilarious. You can create so many funny, engaging images like this, perfect for the viral content. Guys, PICLUMEN is a game changer. It's free now, unlimited, and incredibly powerful. I used it to create these stunning images, turn them into videos. The result's gonna be pure magic. People are making tons of money creating a video like this, and you can do that too. All you need is to take the first step, believe in yourself, start creating, and possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, try the PICLUMEN, and start creating your own viral content today. Found this tutorial helpful? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell for more tips on AI tool and creative hacks. Let me know in the comments whatever your question is, and I will try to answer for it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy creating!